गिरिजार्णव पूर्णेन्दु समं चित कलानिधिम् अपास्त विघ्नतामिश्रम् सूर्पकर्णमुपास्महे
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. To dance is to be out of yourself. Larger, more beautiful, more powerful. This is power, its glory on earth, and it's yours for the taking. Greetings to everyone. I am Sachin Mai, disciple of Guru Deepak Nair. In this month of December, a month of snow, lights, feast and festivities, we at Lakshya are indeed proud and privileged to welcome you all to the first edition of our International Dance Festival, Dashaprana 2020. Aranmula represents the heritage of Kerala. Situated at the beautiful wetland ecosystem on the banks of the river Pamba, it represents the epitome of Kerala culture. Lakshya School of Performing Arts has been a part of the cultural entourage of Aranmula for the past 5 years. Lakshya specializes on the South Indian classical dance form Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi artist Guru Deepak Nair, disciple of Srimati Shankarabharanam Manju Bhargavi ma'am and Natya Visharadha Anupama Mohan ma'am, is the founder and director of the institution. Guru Deepak Nair is a Kuchipudi exponent and a dancer by choice and works as a microbiologist and specializes in infectious diseases. He has proved his forte in the art form through various performances in festivals like Akhila Bharatiya Kuchipudi Nrittotsavam, Brihnatyanjali Festival, Mudra Festival, Suvarnima Karnataka Festival, Hampi Festival, a few to name, and has been awarded various titles like the Akhila Bharatiya Kuchipudi Nrittotsava Puraskar, Natyakala Ratna Puraskar, and many more. Apart from Kuchipudi, Lakshya also trains students in various other South Indian classical dance forms. Within this short span of time, Lakshya has been able to produce many young and talented solo artists who has also been able to perform on many internationally acclaimed stages. We firmly believe that dance is a physical and spiritual discipline. Hence, Guru Deepak Nair endeavors to involve rigorous physical training with vigilant supervision and personal interaction of the student with the teacher in an appropriate atmosphere. Apart from training students in an art form, we also try to instill in them moral values and strive to transform their inner talents. The main motto of Lakshya is to design a strong system of education for the upcoming generation in the traditional way, imbibing the spirit of enlightenment of the new age. Dashaprana is indeed a new milestone for Lakshya. Dashaprana means the 10 elements of Thala. Dance is incomplete in the absence of Thala. Dashaprana aims to promote the Indian classical dance forms and at the same time provide a platform to the upcoming talented dancers and felicitate the exponents in the field of dance. Through this festival, we strive to bring together artists from different genres and different art forms that encompass the diverse cultural ethos. We would now like to allude to Guru Srimati Shankarabharanam Manju Bhargavi ma'am, renowned actor and Kuchipudi dancer. Guru Manju Bhargavi ma'am was indeed blessed to come under the wings of her guru, the legend, late Dr. Padma Bhushan Vempati Chinna Satyam, who then trained her to be one of the outstanding dancers of today. She later turned to be a thespian and proved herself as an excellent actress through the chartbuster Telugu film Shankarabharanam. She later chose to concentrate on her dance programs and run her dance school Natyavedam and is still an inspiration to different artists worldwide. We indeed consider it as a blessing to felicitate Guru Shankarabharanam Manju Bhargavi ma'am this year with the Sri Parthasarathi Lifetime Achievement Award. We also have with us Revati Sivarma ma'am, granddaughter of legendary poet Vailar Ramavarma. An alumni of Kalakshetra, Chennai, Revati Varma is in pursuit of the eternal bliss by bringing together hearts and minds closer through rhythm, harmony, gesture, and expression in Bharatanatyam. We are indeed privileged to honor her with the Natya Mayuri Puraskar. Next in line, we have Sri Janardhanan Nair sir. Sri Janardhanan Nair sir, who hails from Pathanamthitta, Kerala, was trained in different art forms like Ottantullal, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam and Bharatanatyam by various renowned gurus. We would like to felicitate him this year with the Kalaratna Puraskar. As a part of Dashaprana 2020, we are also felicitating a few of our students for their meritorious achievements and accomplishments in the field of dance. We are awarding Ashtami R. Nair, Shreya Satish, Udaya Rajkumar, Kirtana S., Akshaya Kirti, Sanu Sabu, Veena B. Nair, and Ardra Jitendran with the Sal Shishya Puraskar for taking our name to heights and keeping us proud. Let's now move on to the performances. Devi or the Shakti is within all of us. The Shakti is not somewhere else, not in some other world. She is within us. Here we have with us the students of Lakshya with the Kuchipudi performance. Ranjini Mala, written and composed by Thanjavur Shankara Iyer, is set in Ragam Ragam Malika and Aditala and has been choreographed by Guru Deepak Nair.
Ranjani, Ranjani, Mridu Pankajalochani, 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 Ranjani. Sariga sa sanida sa sariga madasa sa sanida ni da maga maga sa sariga sa sanida sa sariga madasa sa sanida ni da maga maga sa manju bhashini. Manju bhashini manolasini, manju bhashini manolasini, manju bhashini manolasini, mandagamani, manju bhashini manolasini, mandagamani, Shri Ranjani, Shri Ranjani, Shri Ranjani, Shri Ranjani. Sanida magari gama, nida magari sariga, magari sanida ni sanida magari gama, manida magari sariga, gamagari sanida ni sanida magari gama, manida magari sariga, gamagari sanida ni sariga sa sanida sa sariga madasa sa sanida ni da maga maga sa sariga sa sanida sa sariga madasa sa sanida ni da maga maga sa samagana vinodini. Samagana vinodini, amba samagana vinodini, shashangavadani marajanani, సరి గమ నిద మగరి సరి గ మగరి సని దని సనీద మగరి గమ మమ నిద మగరి సరి గ గ గ మగరి సని దని సరి గ స సని ద స సరి గ మ ద స సా సని ద ని ని ద మగ మగ స సరి గ స సని ద స సరి గ మ ద స సా సని ద ని ని ద మగ మగ స పామర జన పాలిని శూలిని పామర జన పాలిని శూలిని పామర జన పాలిని శూలిని పాప విమోచని పావని అంబ పామర జన పాలిని శూలిని పాప విమోచని పావని జనరంజని 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 పాప మరి గమ పమరి గమ ప ని సదప సదప దప మరి పాప మరి గమ పమరి గమ ప ని సదప సదప దప మరి గమ ని స ని ని స స ని ని మమ ని ని మా ని మమ ని ని మమ గగ రి రి ని స ని ని స స ని ని మమ ని ని మా ని మమ ని ని మమ గగ రి రి స ని ద మగరి గమ మని ద మగరి సరి గ గమ గరి సని ద ని స ని ద మగరి గమ మమ ని ద మగరి సరి గ గ గమ గరి సని ద ని సరి గ స సని ద స సరి గమ ద స సా సని ద ని ని ద మగ మగ స సా సని ద ని ని ద మగ మగ స సా సని ద ని ని ద మగ మగ స రంజని మృదు పంకజలోచని రంజని మృదు పంకజలోచని రంజని మృదు పంకజలోచని రంజని
Revati C. Verma ma'am, whose soul abides in all her body, is now an outstanding dancer who has perfected the art with patience and perseverance. Revati Verma ma'am, granddaughter of the legendary poet Vailar Ramavarma, niece of Vailar Sharatchandra Varma, is an exponent of the well-known Kalakshetra style of Bharatanatyam. She was initiated into the art form at the age of 7 by Srimati Lata Gopinath and had her first lesson from Kalamandalam Premalata. She is a leading Bharatanatyam dancer and choreographer with a standing of 10 years in the professional field. She was groomed by eminent personalities like Padma Shri Leela Sampson, Shri Adayar K. Lakshman, Shri Shijit Krishna, Srimati Nandini Nagaraj, and many more. We are indeed privileged to have Shri Revati ma'am with us this evening. Let's now move on to her Bharatanatyam recital.
కళ్యాణ సుందరేశ్వరి కళ్యాణ సుందరేశ్వరి కారుణ్య రూపిణి కళ్యాణి కరుణా கல்யாண சுந்தரேஸ்வரி காருண்யரூபிணி கல்யாணி கனிந்தருள் கருணாகரி மதுரை மீனாட்சி கல்யாண சுந்தரேஸ்வரி
We are indeed grateful to Revati ma'am for performing for our cause. We are indeed privileged to honor her with the Natya Mayuri Puraskar. We are indeed proud to have with us Kalamandalam Megha M. Nair. Megha, who has been learning dance since a tender age, began her tutelage under Kalamandalam Parvati. She was fortunate enough to be admitted to Kerala Kalamandalam at the age of 15, from where she completed a graduation in Mohiniyattam. She is presently the founder of Sri Nataraja Nritya Kalakshetram, Shastankota. Moving on to the Mohiniyattam recital of Megha.
Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana ke padam saran Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana ke padam saran Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana Sripadame Saranam 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 Sriman Narayana Sriman Narayana Kamala Rati Mukha Kamala Kamala Kita Kamala Priya Kamalekshana Kamala Rati Mukha Kamala Kamala Kita Kamala Priya Kamalekshana Kamala Rati Kamala Kamala Kita Kamala Priya Kamalekshana Kamala Samantita Garuda Gamana Sri Kamala Nabhane Pada Kamala Lekshana ಪದಕಮಲವೇ ಕಮಲಾಧನಗಿದ ಗರುಡನ ಮನಸಿ ಕಮಲನಾಭನೆ ಪದಕಮಲವೇ ಕಮಲಾಸನಗಿದ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಕಮಲನಾಭನೆ ಪದ ಕಮಲವೇ ಶರಣಂ ಕಮಲಾಸನಗಿದ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಕಮಲನಾಭನೆ ಪದ ಕಮಲವೇ ಶರಣಂ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣನೇ ಶ್ರೀಪಾದನೇ ಶರಣಂ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣನೇ ಶ್ರೀಪಾದನೇ ಶರಣಂ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಪರಮಯೋಗಿ ಜನ ಭಾಗದೇಯತೆ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪರಾಪರ ಪರಮಯೋಗಿ ಜನ ಭಾಗದೇಯತೆ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪರಾಪರ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಪರಮಾನುರೂಪ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಪರಮಾನುರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಪರಮಾಣುರು ಪರಮಾಣುರು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಪರಮಾಣುರು ಪರಮಾಣುರು परमात्मा ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ರೂಪಶ್ರೀ ತಿರುವೆಂಕಟಗಿರಿ ದೇವ ಶರಣ ಶ್ರೀ ತಿರುವೆಂಕಟಗಿರಿ ದೇವ ಶರಣ ಶ್ರೀ ತಿರುವೆಂಕಟಗಿರಿ ದೇವ ಶರಣ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ 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 ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ
We are indeed obliged for the performance staged by Srimati Megha M. Nair. We are proud to honor the talent in her with the Natya Darpana Puraskar. Now, we bring before you Bijula Balakrishnan ma'am, a Kuchipudi dance exponent from Kozhikode. Bijula ma'am has been practicing this art since her tender childhood. Her first guru was her late father, Mr. V.P. Balakrishnan, and later was blessed to be trained by the legend, late Dr. Padma Bhushan Vempati Chinnasatyam. She has performed worldwide in over 6 international cities in the United States and Europe under the guidance of her guru and has bagged many awards for her excellence in performance. She completed her graduation in Bharatanatyam from Bharatidasan University, Trichy, and her diploma in Kuchipudi from Kuchipudi Art Academy, Chennai. She is now the founder of Sri Bala Meenakshi Kala Kovil, Kozhikode, and has been training students from various cities for the past 20 years. Moving on to the Kuchipudi recital of Bijula ma'am.
ओंकाररूपिणी भैरवी ह्रींकाररूपिणी भैरवी कुणियुवळारी भैरवनारी कुणियुवळारी भैरवनारी रणರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ರೌದ್ರವ ತೋರಿ ಕುಣಿಯುವಳಾರಿ ಭೈರವನಾರಿ ರಣರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ರೌದ್ರವ ತೋರಿ ಕುಣಿಯುವಳಾರಿ ಭೈರವನಾರಿ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿಂದಂ ಕಿಡಿಗಳ ಕಾರಿ ದೆಸೆ ದೆಸೆ ದೆಸೆಗೆ ಜಡೆಯನು ಬೀರಿ ರಂಜಿ ಪರೋಕ್ಷ ಜ್ವಾಲೆ ಏನಿದು ಕಾಳಿಯ ತಾಂಡವಲೀಲೆ ತೂಗುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ವಿಶ್ವದ ಉಯ್ಯಾಲೆ ಕಂಠದೊಳಂಜಿಪ ನರ ಶಿರಮಾಲೆ ಕರದಲ್ಲಿ ರಂಜಿ ಪರೋಕ್ಷ ಜ್ವಾಲೆ ಏನಿದು ಕಾಳಿಯ ತಾಂಡವಲೀಲೆ ತೂಗುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ವಿಶ್ವದ ಉಯ್ಯಾಲೆ ಕುಣಿಯುವಳಾರಿ ಭೈರವನಾರಿ ರಣರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ರೌದ್ರವ ತೋರಿ ಕುಣಿಯುವಳಾರಿ ಭೈರವನಾರಿ ನರ್ತನದಿಂ ನವಶಕ್ತಿಯು ಹೊಮ್ಮಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಲಯ ಚಕ್ರಂ ಚಿಮ್ಮಿ ಜಡಚೇತನ ರೂಪುಗಳಾಗೊಡೆದು ತೋರ್ಪುದು ಸುಖ ದುಃಖಗಳನ್ನು ಹಡೆದು ನರ್ತನದಿಂ ನವಶಕ್ತಿಯು ಹೊಮ್ಮಿ ಸರಿ ಕರಿ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಸ ಕರಿ ಗರಿ ಸ ನಿದ ನಿದವ ಗರಿ ಗರಿ ಸ ಸರಿ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ತ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಮದ ನಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಗ ಸರಿ ಗ ನಿ ಸರಿ ದ ನಿ ಸ ಕರಿ ಗರಿ ಸ ನಿದ ನಿದವ ಗರಿ ಗರಿ ಸ ನರ್ತನದಿಂ ನವಶಕ್ತಿಯು ಹೊಮ್ಮಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಲಯ ಚಕ್ರಂ ಚಿಮ್ಮಿ ಜಡಚೇತನ ರೂಪಗಳಾಗೊಡೆದು ತೋರ್ಪುದು ಸುಖ ದುಃಖಗಳನ್ನು ಹಡೆದು ಕುಣಿಯುವಳಾರಿ ಭೈರವನಾರಿ ರಣರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ರೌದ್ರವ ತೋರಿ ಕುಣಿಯುವಳಾರಿ ಭೈರವನಾರಿ ಭ್ರೂಭಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಟ್ಯನು ಕೋಟಿ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ವೃಂದವ ಮುರಿ ಮುರಿದೊಟ್ಟಿ ಶಾಮೆಯು ನಗ್ನ ಭಯಂಕರಿಯಾಗಿ ತಾಂಡವಗೈವಳು ಶಂಕರಿ ಕೂಗಿ ತಾಂಡವಗೈವಳು ಶಂಕರಿ ಕೂಗಿ ಭ್ರೂಭಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಟ್ಯನು ಕೋಟಿ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ವೃಂದವ ಮುರಿ ಮುರಿದೊಟ್ಟಿ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ವೃಂದವ ಮುರಿ ಮುರಿದೊಟ್ಟಿ ಶಾಮೆಯು ನಗ್ನ ಭಯಂಕರಿಯಾಗಿ ತಾಂಡವಗೈವಳು ಶಂಕರಿ ಕೂಗಿ ತಾಂಡವಗೈವಳು ಶಂಕರಿ ಕೂಗಿ ತಾಂಡವಗೈವಳು ಶಂಕರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಐಗಿರಿ ನಂದಿನಿ ನಂದಿತ ಮೇದಿನಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ವಿನೋದಿನಿ ನಂದನುತೆ ಗಿರಿವರ ವಿಂಧ್ಯ ಶಿರೋದಿನಿ ವಾಸಿನಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ವಿಲಾಸಿನಿ ಜಿಷ್ಣುನುತೆ ಭಗವತಿ ಹೇಷಿತಿ ಕಂಠ ಕುಟುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕುಟುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕೃತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕಮರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕಮರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕಮರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ರಮ್ಯಕಮರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ರಮ್ಯಕಮರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ
We would like to thank Bijula ma'am for performing this evening for us. We also consider it a privilege to honor her with the Dashaprana Natanamanka Puraskar. Here we have with us Dr. Aishwarya Raja, a doctor by profession who is also pursuing studies in dance, which is her first passion. Her guru is Sri R.L.V. Anand. Over time, she has created for herself a place in the field of art through her utmost dedication and hard work. She is a dancer by choice. She has proved her mettle in this field by bagging innumerable awards. A recipient of CCRT scholarship in Bharatanatyam, she has been fortunate enough to perform at various stages like Swati Tirunal Fest at Adayar, Chennai, Ganamukunda Priya Sabha, Mylapore, Chennai, Kudal Manikyam Fest, IDA Dance Fest, Kannur, a few to name. Aishwarya is a dancer who portrays her character with ease and grace. She has over the years matured into an intelligent and graceful dancer. She wishes to do research and learn more about Bharatanatyam. For Aishwarya, dance is not merely an ordeal, but a tapasya, devotion to God. With no further ado, let's move on to the Bharatanatyam recital of Aishwarya.
वन्दे शम्भुमापतिं वन्दे शम्भुं उमापतिं सुरगुरुं वन्दे जगत्कारणम् वन्दे पन्नगभूषणं मृगधरम् वन्दे पशूनां पतिं वन्दे सूर्य शशाङ्क वग्निनयनं वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियं 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 वन्दे भक्तजनाश्रयं च वरदं वन्दे शिवं शङ्करं वन्दे शिवं शङ्करं वन्दे शिवं शङ्करं शङ्कर श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभु के शङ्कर श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभु के शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु भस्म त्रिनेत्रगणे रुण्डमाला भस्म त्रिनेत्रगणे रुण्डमाला भस्म त्रिनेत्रगणे रुण्डमाला पूदन के संग नाचत भृंगी पूदन के संग नाचत भृंगी शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु ध्वनन ध्वनन धीम धीम च धीम 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 ध्वनन 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 धीम धीम च धीम गुंगुरु बाजे ध्वनन 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 धीम धीम च धीम गुंगुरु बाजे देव मुनि सब गगन विराजे देव मुनि सब गगन विराजे शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभु तते तकिट तक श्रुतिगतिराजे दरे दकिट तक श्रुतिगतिराजे दरे दकिट तक श्रुतिगतिराजे दरे दकिट तक श्रुतिगतिराजे पद्मनाभमन कमल विराजे पद्मनाभमन कमल विराजे शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभोगे वृत्त विराजित चित्रसभा में शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभुगे वृत्त विराजित चित्रसभा में शंकर श्रीगिरिनाथ प्रभो नाद प्रभो नाद प्रभो ॐ नमस्तेस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्रयंबकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः महादेवाय नमः महादेवाय नमः
We would like to extend our sincere gratitude to Srimati Aishwarya for her excellent rendition and would also like to felicitate her with the Natya Kaisaki Puraskar. With this performance, we come to an end of Dashaprana 2020, International Dance Festival hosted by Lakshya School of Performing Arts, Aranmula. We take this opportunity to thank all the artists who have performed here today for keeping aside their valuable time for our cause. We also thank all the art connoisseurs out there for constantly supporting us. We also like to extend our sincere gratitude to all the sponsors who have made our dream of conducting the festival come true. Last but not the least, we thank our Gurus and the God Almighty for their abundant blessings. Consciousness expresses itself through creation. This world we live in is the dance of the Creator. Dancers come and go in the twinkling of an eye, but the dance lives on. Thank you.
हरिवरासनं विश्वमोहनं हरितदीश्वरम् आराध्यपादुकं हरिविमर्दनं नित्यनर्तनं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये शरणकीर्तनं भक्तमानसं भरणलोलुपं नर्तनालसम् अरुणभासुरं भूतनायकं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा प्रणयसत्यकं प्राणनायकं प्रणतकल्पदं सुप्रभाञ्चितं प्रणवमन्दिरं कीर्तनप्रियं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये श्रितजनप्रियं चिन्त्य गीतप्रदं श्रुतिविभूषणं साधुजीवनं श्रुतिमनोहरं गीतलालसं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा 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 स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा हरिहरसुतने शरणमय्यप्पा हरिहरसुतनानन्द चित्तनय्यनय्यप्प स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा
We anticipatingly look forward to see you in the next edition of Dashaprana. Till then, goodbye.